best oxtails that you will ever have. And yes, extra gravy me, please. First, you're going to start by cutting up a bell pepper. Then you're going to cut up some green onions or a scallion. Then you're going to cut up some white onions, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh garlic, some thyme. And now I got my oxtails from H Mart. Please make sure you wash and clean your oxtails. Then you're going to add your minced garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, browning, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, the nice spice oxtail rub. You got to have that, and you're going to mix that well. That's how your oxtail should look. Then you're going to add the green onions, thyme, and white onions, nice and flavorful oxtails. You are going to brown your oxtails for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add hot water to your oxtails. Turn it down and let it cook. You're going to check your oxtails every 30 to 45 minutes, and you need to add hot boiling water to your oxtails. Do not add cold water at all. You are going to keep checking your oxtails until they are tender. Now, do not use a pressure cooker. I recommend you cooking these bad babies nice and slow. Then you're going to add your seasoning and your your butter beans with some ketchup and beef bouillon. Y'all see how bomb that's looking already? You're going to cover it. Let that cook for about 30 more minutes. Do y'all see them oxtail? It is falling off of the bone, baby. This is how your oxtail should look. Fall off the bone. Nice and flavorful. And we need extra gravy. The recipe for the rice and peas is on the previous post. And yes, I need extra gravy all over my rice. Basically, I want oxtail soup. That's how much gravy I need. Do y'all not see how bomb that looks? This was not a quick and easy recipe. And y'all got to get the nice spice oxtail blend. It will give you the most flavorful oxtail that you ever had. This is not up for debate. Do y'all see how bomb that look? Do y'all see that gravy? Do y'all see that oxtail falling off of the bone? This was so good, and it tasted better the next day. Get the nice spice now. The best oxtails that you will ever have.